Hi, I'm Ben with Twin Cities Furnace Cleaning, and I'm going to explain a little bit about what to expect on a commercial air duct cleaning job. First, we are going to get some blueprints of the building. Then we are going to sit down with you and explain to you which units and which parts of the building we are working on. An experienced guy is going to know how to find his way around your building using these blueprints. We will pick out various points of the building and show you this is the sections we need coordinated to people out of the area and that sort of thing. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to go up to wherever your air handling unit or rooftop unit is, and we are going to take a lockout tagout and lock out that unit. This needs to be performed. This needs to be done to perform any work on any HVAC system. Next, I'm going to show you a few of the tools that we use on a commercial air duct cleaning job. So when I say we're going to clean your ducts, we aren't going to use just one specific tool. We are going to use whatever tool works the best for that specific job. There are different sizes of ducts, there are different shapes of ducts, and we will be going over that a little bit later. The ducts that are big enough to fit in a whole person will actually crawl through those ducts with a suit and a mask on. He will either use two of these different attachments at the end of his vacuum hose. We have long lengths of vacuum hoses up to 200 feet for the technician to crawl through and perform the cleaning. This is the most aggressive clean because he will contact the surface all the way around the duct and crawl all the way through. When the ducts start to get smaller, that's when we go to more tools that are hooked up through air or cable driven. Now we have different types of rods. Some are more flexible and some are stiffer. The more flexible ones are more for the horizontal and getting around corners and things of such. The stiffer ones we use more for vertical drops going up to rooftop units. At the end of these, we are hooking up a couple different tools. These are called skipper balls. One blows air forward and one blows air backwards. So whatever way we're trying to work the dirt back towards our vacuum, that's the kind of tool that we'll use. Now we're going to use an agitator before we use those things. One of those could be the Viper system. Now the Viper system has long tentacles at the end. These are either rubber or plastic. Now this is the Viper in action. That connected onto these rods and us sending down the ducts really loosens up that dirt. Then we use the air balls to work that dirt back to our vacuum. Now this is the most aggressive cleaning brush you can use. This is the best for transit lines, which is underground ductwork fed by PVC. This is a cable brush, and there is a cable inside this plastic sleeve. This is driven by a drill. This takes two people to perform, one at the end with a drill, and one at the end wherever he's feeding this in. This is a hard steel brush. This one is for uninsulated ductwork. And this is a softer brush that we use for interior insulated ductwork. So if the dirt is really, really stuck on there and we need more of an aggressive clean than the Viper, that's when we will use the roto brush.